Construction of a triangle, त्रिकोण रचना. Construction number 1. To construct a triangle, given the lengths of its three sides. त्रिकोणाच्या तीनही बाजूंची लांबी दिली असता त्रिकोण काढणे. Example. Draw triangle XYZ such that length of XY equal to 6 cm, length of YZ equal to 4 cm and length of XZ equal to 5 cm. At first, to construct this triangle, we have to draw a rough figure. सर्वप्रथम दिलेल्या माहितीवरून कच्ची आकृती काढूया. According to the rough figure, side XY of 6 cm is the longest side. So first, draw it as a base. This is side XY of 6 cm. Now, open the compass to 5 cm and with its point at X, draw an arc on one side of segment XY. Next, open the compass to 4 cm and with its point at Y, draw an arc to cut the first arc. Let us label the point of intersection of the arcs as Z. Now, draw the segments XZ and segment YZ. Construction number 2. To construct a triangle given the two sides and the included angle. त्रिकोणाच्या दोन बाजू आणि त्यामधील समाविष्ट कोन दिला असता त्रिकोण काढणे. Example. Draw triangle PQR such that length of PQ equal to 5.5 cm, measure of angle P equal to 50 degree and length of PR equal to 5 cm. For the construction, let us draw a rough figure first. According to the rough figure, draw segment PQ of 5.5 cm as the base. This is segment PQ of 5.5 cm. Now draw an angle of 50 degree at the point P using protractor. Take a measure of 50 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Mark here. And using the scale, draw the ray. Take a point here on the ray and name it as G. Now open the compass to 5 cm and place the compass point at P and draw an arc to cut the ray PG. Name this point as R. Now join the point R to Q So this is our construction. Construction number 3. To construct a triangle given two angles and the included side. त्रिकोणाचे दोन कोन आणि त्यामधील समाविष्ट बाजू दिली असता त्रिकोण काढणे. एक्झाम्पल, construct triangle XYZ such that length of YX equal to 6 cm, measure of angle ZXY equal to 30 degree, measure of angle XYZ equal to 100 degree. For the construction, let us draw a rough figure first. According to the rough figure, draw segment YX of 6 cm as the base. This is segment YX. Now at point Y, we have to draw an angle of 100 degree using the protractor. Place the protractor at point Y and measure the angle 100 degree. Let us mark here and join the 2 points to draw a ray. So here we have drawn an angle of 100 degree at point Y. Let us take a point on the ray and name it as R. Now at point X, we have to draw an angle of 30 degree using the protractor. Place the protractor at point X and measure the angle 30 degree. Mark here at 30 degree. Using scale, join the 2 points. Take a point on the ray and name it as D. Now name the point of intersection of rays YR and XD as Z. So this is our construction. Construction number 4. To construct a right angled triangle given the hypotenuse and one side. कर्ण आणि एक बाजू दिली असता काटकोन त्रिकोण काढणे. एक्झाम्पल, ड्रॉ ट्रायंगल LMN such that measure of angle LMN equal to 90 degree, hypotenuse equal to 5 cm, length of MN equal to 3 cm. For the construction, let us draw a rough figure first. As shown in the rough figure, draw the base segment MN of length 3 cm. This is segment MN. Now at point M, we have to draw a ray to make the angle of 90 degree to segment MN. Take a protractor, measure 90 degree and mark here. Join the 2 points and draw a ray. Now take a point here on the ray and name it as T. Now open the compass to 5 cm and with the point at N, draw an arc to cut the segment MT at L. Name the point of intersection as L and now join the point L to N. This is our construction. right angled triangle LMN.